Hi everyone, my name is Anastasia. By now, in the ObjectBox mini-series, we covered the basics of vector databases, from vectors to different types of LLMs. And all along, it was accompanied by large language models, as typically vector databases are often used in conjunction with LLMs. So today, we are going to explore the key concepts in large language models to cover a broader perspective on vector databases. So let's start with definitions. So first, what is the AI model? The AI model is a computational model which is trained on data to recognize patterns, to solve problems, and to generate insights without being explicitly programmed. And large language models are important types of AI models, specifically for natural language processing. So LLMs are AI models which were trained on a large quantity of unlabeled data to predict the next token based on the previous sequence of input tokens. Originally, that meant that it was trained on text to predict the next word based on the previous words. A large language model has the transformers architecture with a large number of parameters. That's why it's called large language model. But what does large mean? Well, BERT model has 110 million parameters. Palm 2 has up to 340 billion parameters, and GPT-4 is rumored to have about 1 trillion parameters. All of these parameters are adjusted during the training process by self-learning techniques to maximize the likelihood of the next token in these training examples. After the training, the LLM can be fine-tuned, which means that you can adjust it for a specific task by providing a small dataset with labeled data. Well, all in all, LLMs have two important features, generalization and emerging properties. Generalization means that model can use its knowledge to the new tasks and data. For example, to provide a coherent text in novel situations. That's quite similar to the daily life example, like you were trained in the driving school to drive the specific car, but you can use this knowledge to drive any other car. The emerging properties mean that the model right now have the new properties or new capabilities which were not explicitly programmed, and they are the results of the interaction between the model and the data. They emerged during that process. For example, these are reasoning capabilities or math-solving problem capabilities. That's why large language model can be used not to just specific tasks, but it can be adapted to a big range of the downstream tasks. Such models then called foundation models, and they are a topic of our next episode. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to put a comment, give us a like, and give us a feedback. Bye!